nanawagan ang iba pang grupo upang makisa sa protesta at higit na dapat unahin ang Senado ang kapakanan at mga suliranin ng Maumay kaysa sa pansariling interes. Kaya na rin ito, illustration. Cayetano, Kadiri, Pia Cayetano, Bongo, Kadiri, Manhan, or Bato. Now, Cayetano, Panagutin. Tapos base rito, Banhang versus Bato, giit ng mga rallyista. Ito ang panawagan ng Philippine Alliance of Human Rights Advocates sa ikinatangkilik protesta sa labas ng Senado sa Pasay City ngayong Lunes, May 18, ilang araw matapos ng petsa 14. Okay, sige. Hinahanap pa kami ng balita habang naghihintay kami. Kasi hindi naman pwede mga estudyante tengas pa rin habang nakatabay. Kasi siyempre mag-aanap ako. Nagibabahal ko sa inyo. Sige lang, tuloy pa ako rito. Hanap pa ako rito. Wait lang pagtsagaan lang dyan. Ito nga mahihirap. Kaya isa ito sa dahilan kung bakit malakas ang loob ng majority black. Why? Kasi ano kasi nila mga kasama na mahihirapang makahipon ng 16 votes para kumakumbisi.
Anong apa? Opo.
Opo.
Apa.
Oo.
Opo.
Mga kasama.
Opo yung apa.
Okay.
Apo. Apo
dito. The Senate has suspended its regular session and formally convened on that nagbibihis na yung toga na kulay pula. Bakit may balitang ganito? Pinaghahandaan ng House Prosecution Team ang posibleng komite sa Senado para mapalitan si SP Alan Peter Cayetano sa gitna ng inaasahang pag-convene bilang impeachment court versus VP Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Prosecutor Representative Joel Chowa, ayos lamang para sa kanya ang sinumang uupong Senate President sa impeachment trial, ngunit dapat na isalang-alang ang impartiality at political neutrality ng mga senator judge. Okay. Yan na.
The clerk of court is directed to make the proclamation. All persons are commanded to keep silent under pain of penalty while the Senate is sitting in trial on the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. The clerk of court will please follow the rules. Roll call of members. The Honorable Senator Judges Aquino, Cayetano Pia, De La Rosa, Ejercito, Escudero, Estrada, Castellan, Go, Ontiveros, Lacson, Lati, Regarda, Marcoleta,
Robin.
Padilla, Pangilinan, Total Deserve, Tulfo Erwin, Tulfo Rafi, Villanueva, Villar Camil, Villar Mark, Zubiri, the Senate President. With 23 senator judges present, the chair declares the presence of a quorum. Senator Judge Villanueva. Yes, Mr. President. Sir Presiding Officer, may we request Senator Judge Camille Villar to ascend the rostrum to administer the oath of the Senate President.
Nakatutok yun. No? Sa palagay nyo, ako, tingin ko, nakatutok yun, nanonood yun.
Please raise your right hand. Impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. I state your name.
I, Alan Peter Compañero Fran Cayetano,
Solemnly swear
that
in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution
I
and
will, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution
laws of the Philippines.
and the laws of the Philippines.
So help me God.
So help me God. At this time, I will administer the oath of each of the senator judges in the chamber in conformity with Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 6 of the Philippine Constitution and Rule 3 of the Senate Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials. May we request everyone to rise. So, I state your name, solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the law. So help me God. Senator Judge Villanueva. Thank you, Mr. President. Last Thursday, May 14, 2026, the House of Representatives, through Secretary General